as part of the Finnish diaspora here in Canada, I just realized how easy we have it singing our Canadian anthem as compared to our Finnish-American cousins. Theirs is a much more difficult tune to handle. So as I mentioned, this is the 30th anniversary of the Finnish School of Ottawa, and being up and running for 30 years is a remarkable accomplishment for a small community such as ours, and a great tribute to OSCO's founders and pioneers, many of whom are here today, to the teachers over the years, the volunteers, the parents who bring their children out faithfully every Saturday morning, and of course to the students themselves, past and present. So in 2013 is the 30th anniversary of
look at the baby.
School. My arithmetic
It's a cute
school
baby.
was founded back in 1983. So let's think back to those days for a moment. So in 1983, the Prime Minister of Canada was Pierre Trudeau. Sworn in President.
All playing that for